Hey everyone! In this lesson, we'll tackle integration by parts, a method used to integrate products of different kinds of functions. To make smart choices for u and dv, we use a guide called Lie8, which stands for L for logarithmic, I is inverse trigonometric, A is for algebraic, T is for trigonometric, and E is for exponential. Always choose U from the first type that appears in the list. It helps make the integration simpler. So let's break it down with 5 step-by-step problem. This is our problem number 1 in integration by parts. The integral of x multiplied to e raised to x dx. In this problem, we have to choose what will be our u and dv. So for that, to make it easy for you to choose, we have to apply the lie 8, right? So in here, our x will be algebraic, right? And e raised to x is an exponential. Then our x right now will be our u, and e raised to x is our dv. So u is x, which is derivative is 1, and our dv is e raised to x, and its antiderivative is e raised to x, so it's the same. And this we have to substitute it in our formula, which is the ub minus the integral of b du. So our u is x, the v is raised to x, e raised to x, minus the integral of raised to x, the du, which is 1. Then the remaining integrand is here. So x multiplied by e raised to x minus, what is the integral of e raised to x is e raised to x plus c. So as we can see, there is a remaining factor, or it is factorable. So what is the factor for this is e raised to x. So x e raised to x divided by e raised to x, the remaining will be x. And right here, it will be 1 plus c. So this is our final answer. This is our second problem, which is the integral of x multiplied to cos x dx. So apply the Lie8, right? So Lie8, what will be our x? So x is algebraic, and cos x is, what is this? Trigonometric. So our x will be our u, since ito ang nauna sa trigonometric. And our cos x will be our dv. So u is equal to x, the derivative of it is 1, and our dv is cos x, which is the antiderivative of it, or the integral of it, is sine x. And substitute in the formula, which is ub minus the integral of p du. Our u is x, the v is sine x, minus the integral of b sine x. Our du is 1. So x sine x minus the integral for sine x is cos x, right? Negative cos x. So this will become cos x. So cos x times 1, so it will be cos x. So x sine x, negative times negative, positive, cos x plus c. We have to remove this again. So x sine x plus cos x plus c. So this is our final answer. Let's solve our problem number 3 in integration by parts. So the integral of x squared multiplied by ln x dx. So first thing to do is apply it. So in this problem, our x squared will be algebraic and the ln x is a logarithm. So as we can see, the logarithm is it at the first place. So this will be our u and this will be our dv. So u is equal to ln x and the derivative of this is 1 over x. So dv is equal to x squared and the antiderivative of it is we have to use the power rule, which is 3, so x cubed over 3. And we have to substitute it in the formula, which is the ub minus the integral of b du. So what is our u? Is ln x. Our b is x cubed over 3 minus the integral of x cubed over 3 multiplied by our du, which is 1 over x. So as we can see right here, this is not a full integral, right? Or this is very hard. So we have to factor out or get out the 1/3. So 1/3 integral of x cubed multiplied by 1 over x. So this is cancelled. So what will be the remaining is x squared. So the integral of it is we can use the power rule, which is 2 plus 1 is equal to x cubed over 3. So the answer for this is 1 over 3 x cubed over 3, or multiplied it, so x cubed over 9. So merge it with this, so this will become ln x x3 over 3 minus x cubed over 9 plus c. But this also have a factor, or it is factorable, which is x3 over 3. So x3 divide the ln x cubed over 3. The remaining will be ln x minus, so x cubed over 9 divided by x cubed over 3 will be 1 over 3 plus c. This can be also our answer. Number 4, which is the integral of x multiplied by arctangent x. So here, our x is algebraic, and the arctangent x is inverse. So whose comes first? So the inverse. So this will be our u, and this will be our dv. So u is equal to arctangent x, which is the derivative of this, is 1 plus x squared, and our dv is x, and the antiderivative of this v is equal to x squared over 2, and substitute it in our formula, which is ub minus integral of b du. So let's remove this first. So just here. So our u, what's the value of our u is arctangent x multiplied by our v, which is x squared over 2 minus the integral of x squared over 2 multiplied by our du, which is 1 over x squared. So as we can see right here, we have to integrate it again. So this one. So x squared, we can remove or go out the 1/2, right? So 1/2 integral of x squared over 1 plus x squared. So if we are going to divide it by the x squared by 1 plus x squared, the answer will be 1 minus 1 plus x squared. So the answer would be integral of 1 minus the integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared. So the integral for 1 will be x, and the integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared is arctangent x. Then distribute the negative 1/2 to x minus arctangent x. So let's remove this. So negative 1/2 is negatives, and negative x over 2 minus negative 1/2 multiplied by arctangent, so this becomes positive arctangent 1x over 2. So let's merge this with this one. Sorry. So let's rewrite this again. So arctan x squared over 2. So as we can see right here, we can merge because it's the same. So arctan, right? So this will become x squared plus 1 over 2 arctangent minus x over 2 plus c. So this will be our final answer. Let's solve this problem number 5, which is the integral of x squared multiplied by e raised to x dx. So in this problem, we can apply a new technique, which is the di. So our d will be x squared, and the derivative of it is 2x. Derivative of 2x is 2, and derivative of 2 is 0. Then our I will be e raised to x. The integral of e raised to x is e raised to x, e raised to x, and e raised to x for the integral. So d represents the derivative and I is for integral. So there's plus, minus, plus, minus. Then multiply it diagonally, right? So x squared times e raised to x, so it become x squared e raised to x minus, so this one, minus 2x e raised to x. So plus this one, 2 e raised to x plus c. So as we can see, there's a factor, which is e raised to x. So in this part, the remaining will be x squared minus, so 2x multiplied by e raised to x divided by e raised to x, 2x plus 2 plus c. So this will become our final answer.